These are 5 more of the best websites for finding online arbitrage deals in the UK. So welcome back to the Profitl channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for Amazon FBA videos every single Thursday. And as always, let us know in the comments any other videos you'd like us to make. We do see all of your comments and try to make videos you do suggest. So today we have part 2 in our series of the best FBA websites in 2023 to find online arbitrage deals. And alongside all of these websites, we'll also be showing you a live deal so you can see the sort of product you can actually find. So if you want to know the websites we recommend for sourcing your FBA products, make sure to keep watching. Now, just a quick disclaimer, a lot of these products you're seeing today, if you are new to Amazon FBA, you may be gated, but if you did want to learn how to get ungated, it really isn't that difficult. We'll link a video just up here, so make sure to check that out, and it shows you all the steps you need to take to get ungated in different brands and categories. So up first we have Tesco, and of course this is actually a supermarket chain, so you can use this for both online and retail arbitrage, but it probably is a little bit easier on online arbitrage because there's never any guarantees you're going to find a product in store, and they have a much larger catalogue of products online. Obviously not all of their products they do sell in store. But the nice thing about Tesco is they have such a variety of products, you can often get a slight discount if you are using a club card. So let's show you an actual product from Tesco online, and it is this product here, Newbie Simply Flip It bottle. So we can buy these for £2.50 each. Now if we head over to Amazon, we can see this exact same product sells for £7.98. So we're buying it for £2.50, selling it for £7.98. Now let's go through all the data on the Profitl extension. So sales 31 to 99 units a month, so not bad sales at all. And look at this return on investment, 83%. So this gives us £2.25 profit for every single unit we sell. This does include a £2.38 FBA fee, 65p referral fee, and 20p for the inbound postage. And as it stands, we've only got 3 other FBA sellers on this listing, so we don't even have too much competition. Obviously that is likely to increase, but overall Tesco is a great website and there is loads of products just like this. Now on to the next website, and it's another one where you can shop on the high street as well, and it is TK Maxx. Now TK Maxx is great for retail and online arbitrage. Often their products don't really match in store to what's online, but that's a good thing, and they are really good for retail arbitrage, but they are also great for online arbitrage, and they have a great range of products. So this product which we found on TK Maxx is this Antarctica game, which we can buy for £6. This is actually in the sale, and it's always great to try and find sale items. That's where you're going to find a lot of your online arbitrage deals. So we're buying this one for £6, and on Amazon it sells for £13.20. So a nice difference on this one. As a minimum, trying to sell it for double the price we're buying it in all of our fees. So obviously this one buying for £6, selling for £13, we're over double. So that's absolutely great. We want a 30% return on investment as our bottom amount we'll go for. So let's check all the data out on the Profitl extension. So this one isn't doing crazy sales, only 15 to 29 units a month. It's obviously a newer listing, hence why it's only got 2 other ratings on it. We do hit our 30% minimum, so 34% on this one, giving us an estimated profit per unit of £2.13. 6 FBA sellers on this product at the moment. That is our main competition. And searching through TK Maxx's websites, you can find loads of products just like this. Now before we get into the next one, we did just want to let you know about an exclusive YouTube discount code which can save you money on your Profitl subscription. I'll make it pop up just here. It will save you either 20% on monthly plans or 5% on yearly plans. So make sure to take that down if you did want to save some money on your Profitl subscription, and that is for both Profitl and for our deal finder. Now on to the next one, and it is the website Sainsburys. So a bit of a common theme. These are all high street shops as well as having websites. Obviously in this day and age, everybody has a website, and it is Sainsburys. Now this is a slightly different product because this is a multi-pack. These are great ways of finding FBA deals. So what does that actually mean? So we can buy this cup of soup for £1.60 each. Now, if we head over to Amazon, we can see this pack of 2 is selling for £8. So what we can actually do is we can buy lots of them. We can combine them into a pack of 2, so we package them together. So our product cost is going to be £3.20 for a pack of 2. So we're going to be buying it for £3.20 each, and then we're going to be selling it for £8. So we can see all the data just here, buying it for £3.20. Listing sales are 31 to 59 units a month, 12 5-star reviews, and a great return on investment, so 97%, giving us an estimated profit of £3.30. That's with a 65p FBA fee, a 65p referral fee, and 20p for the shipping into Amazon. If you're wondering why the VAT says NA, this account is VAT exempt, so that means you don't have to pay the VAT on your fees. Now, Amazon will be charging you these either way. That means you don't have to pay the VAT and the fees because you're not VAT registered. Now, if you are new to Amazon, Amazon will be charging you these fees either way, so you have to apply for VAT exemption. Now, we have done another video about this, which we'll link just up here, so make sure to follow that because it's going to save you some money on your fees, and it really does add up because they're charging you when they shouldn't be. Now onto website number 4, and you probably haven't heard of this one. It's a much smaller website, but it's great for a certain range of products. And it is the website Jeremy's Home Store, and this is great for Jellycat products. And Jellycat, if you don't know what they are, they're like a plush toy, extremely popular on Amazon, really good for Amazon FBA. And this website does sell a lot of them. So this one we found is this red dragon, which we can buy for £21.95. Now, if we head over to Amazon, we can see it's selling for £39.40 at the moment. So running through all the data quickly, 6 to 15 sales a month. So not a crazy seller, but there's loads of other products just like this, but a really good return on investment, 87%. And obviously, as we're buying it for more, our profit is £14.15 per unit. Now, there is a really good chance this price is going to come down, and we'd use the graph just to check that and look at the average data over the last year. But Jellycat is a great brand to be selling, and on this website you can find lots of them. Now onto the 5th and final website, and it is Boots. So another one with an online presence and a high street presence, but great either way, whether it's online or retail arbitrage. Boots is really good. They're often running deals. Now this product we're showing you isn't a deal, but they often do like 3 for 2, or a certain line is discounted. This is one we can buy using a Boots Advantage card, and it's always worth using cards like this. Same with Tesco with their club card. Most places have a loyalty scheme, and it's a great way to earn a bit of extra profit. So this is this Soap and Glory for Glorious 5. Now typically it's £16, but with an Advantage card it's only £12. Now if we head over to Amazon, we can see it selling for £23.29. So buying it for £12, selling it for £23.29. Now this one had really good sales, so 61 to 119 units a month, and not a bad return on investment. So we're getting over our 30%, so 39% return on investment, giving us £4.76 profit per unit, FBA fee £2.85, referral fee £3.58, and of course we've put aside 20p per unit for our shipping into Amazon. Now, when you are looking at deals like this, that is just the basics of looking at deals. We always do analyze it a lot further, so we check how much stock our competitors have. We look at the price graphs to see what the prices have been over the last year. Today's video is purely just to show you the sort of deals you can be sourcing for, and Boots is another example of a great website where you can source products. So that is part 2 of 5 of the best websites to source your online arbitrage products. If you did want a part 3, please do let us know in the comments, because there are lots more websites which are really good for sourcing. Make sure to check out our socials as well. We're on Instagram, we are on TikTok, and please do hit that subscribe button. It really does help us invest more into our content. You'll find all of our links in the description. But thanks so much for watching today's video, and we will see you in the next one.